Alright guys, David Peach here. Let's talk about closing now. You know, you've gone to all the work to get this information in front of somebody. Either you're doing a one-on-one, you're doing a two-on-one, you brought them to a live event. You're making an attempt to get this person started with you in the business. You know, one of the things that I do right when the presentation is over, you know, I do this. I pull up my income disclosure statement and I say, look Phil, the highest rank in this company is International Marketing Director. At that rank, they pay for your car $1,500 a month. They pay for your home $3,000 a month. The average person earns $557,000 a year, and I'm going for it. And I'm looking for 3 or 4 people who want to go for it with me. Are you the guy that I'm looking for? And I just shut up. I keep my mouth shut, and I let him talk next. I will pause as long as I need to. Now I'm going to ask the question, are you the guy I'm looking for? Are you ready to get started? And then just wait. Because whoever talks next is going to lose. See, if he starts to object, I'm going to cover objections later. The purpose of this one is not to handle objections. I'll teach you how to do that in a little bit. The purpose is this. Ask him to get started. Hand him an enrollment form. On that enrollment form, his name is filled out. Put his first name and his last name on there. Give it to him. Ask him to fill it out. See, things that I do that I think give me added benefit is I would let this person know specifically who I'm going to go show next. If they understand our comp plan with a 2-team system, with a right team and a left team, I need to impress upon that person that I'm going to show more people than just you. You know, I might even pull out my calendar and show, hey, look, this entire week I've got 15 other exposures. You know, I'm going to be showing a lot of quality people this week. I just thought enough of you to bring you out first and give you a chance to lock in your position. So if some of these folks get started, you understand that some of them got to go underneath you on your team. See, because that's a real thing for me. I'm going to go show a lot of people. I'm not just showing you. And it's kind of my posture, it's my confidence. But the bottom line is just ask them to fill out the enrollment form. And then be quiet. I'll talk about how to handle objections later. But guys, the bottom line is ask people to get started with you. Go make it happen.